did you do?
Oh, that's good.
You're probably the only motherfucker that's actually done this. Way to go, Trevor. Breaking games.
Make your own game.
Do you have like a grenade or something you can throw up there on him?
What do you think he's doing?
Oh my god, you broke the game.
It's
You
a
broke
game.
the game.
It's a game.
You just gonna kill him?
You can't.
I can't.
What is that?
I can't hit him whatsoever.
He's a god that's infinitely stuck there.
You have to fucking.
And there's helicopters flying in the background for some reason.
You need to fucking hit him with your demo trigger to wait kill him.
What'd you do? Did you jump up and just freeze?
I fucking grappled him and he fucking froze.
What?
Is it because he's caught in that lightning bolt right there?
Oh no.
That's a cut case. We needed that more often.
Why couldn't you done that originally?
You can't kill him that way, unfortunately.
I just realized the building's burning. I never noticed the building was burning.
That's pretty bad. You just
There
not
you go,
noticed
Mike.
the
Here
other
you go.
stuff.
Free show.